Welcome back to Elite Jamaica. In today's video, we will discuss an important topic. Should Jamaica ban the noisy YENGENG bikes? But before we dive in, I want to take a moment to thank all of you, my subscribers, for your support. Your engagement and feedback are incredibly valuable. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel and don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on this topic. Now, let's get started. YENGENG bikes have become a popular mode of transportation in Jamaica, especially among young people. They are known for being affordable, fast, and easily maneuverable in traffic. However, they also carry a negative reputation for being noisy, dangerous, and operating outside the law. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of YENGENG bikes and discuss whether they should be banned or regulated in Jamaica. So, what are YENGENG bikes? YENGENG bikes are low-cost motorcycles imported from China and sold in Jamaica. They are also referred to as Zhongxiang, YG 150cc or superior bikes. Equipped with a 150cc engine, a stock muffler, and an intercooler, these bikes come in various colors and can be customized with stickers, lights, and accessories. They can reach speeds of up to 120 km per hour and are more fuel efficient than cars. YENGENG bikes have gained popularity for several reasons. Firstly, they are affordable, costing between 80,000 and 120,000 Jamaican dollars, making them a more economical option than cars. Secondly, they provide convenience, easily navigating through traffic, congestion, potholes, and narrow roads. Additionally, they offer flexibility in parking as they can be parked anywhere and require minimal maintenance. Lastly, they provide a sense of enjoyment. Many riders revel in the thrill of riding fast, performing stunts, and showcasing their bikes. YENGENG bike riders often form social groups and clubs, fostering a sense of community among enthusiasts who share their passion. So what are the problems with YENGENG bikes? Despite their popularity, YENGENG bikes come with a set of problems. Firstly, they are notorious for their noise. The term yeng-yeng originates from the loud sound they produce when their engines rev. Many residents complain that this noise disrupts their peace and interrupts their sleep. Secondly, YENGENG bikes pose a significant safety risk. Numerous riders disregard safety measures such as wearing helmets, following traffic rules, and having insurance. Reckless driving, overtaking vehicles, running red lights, and causing accidents are common occurrences. According to the National Road Safety Council, the majority of motorcyclists who died in road crashes in 2021 were riding YENGENG bikes. Thirdly, most of these bikes operate outside the law. Many YENGENG bikes are not registered with the Transport Authority or the Tax Administration of Jamaica. They lack license plates, road license, and fitness certificates, evading taxes and fees that other motorists have to pay. Moreover, they present a challenge for law enforcement as they can easily evade police checkpoints and patrols. So, should Jamaica ban YENGENG bikes? Opinions on whether Jamaica should ban YENGENG bikes vary. Some argue for a ban due to the nuisance, hazards, and criminal associations attributed to these bikes. Advocates believe that YENGENG bikes contribute to noise pollution, compromise public safety, and undermine the rule of law. They suggest that banning YENGENG bikes would reduce road fatalities, improve traffic management, and overall improve public safety. On the other hand, opponents argue against a ban, highlighting the necessity, cultural significance, and the rights associated with YENGENG bikes. They contend that these bikes provide an affordable and convenient transportation option for many Jamaicans who cannot afford cars or public buses. Moreover, YENGENG bikes represent a subculture that celebrates creativity, freedom, and self-expression, especially for young people facing social and economic challenges. They further argue that banning YENGENG bikes would infringe upon the human rights of riders, depriving them of mobility, livelihood, and leisure. So what could be a solution? The issue of YENGENG bikes may require a more balanced and nuanced approach, rather than an outright ban or allowance. It is essential to consider the needs and interests of all stakeholders involved: riders, residents, motorists, authorities, and society as a whole. One possible solution is to regulate YENGENG bikes instead of banning them. This entails the government establishing standards and rules for importing, selling, owning, and operating YENGENG bikes in Jamaica. For instance, the government could implement the following measures. YENGENG bike dealers would be required to obtain permits from the Transport Authority to import and sell the bikes. YENGENG bike owners would need to register their bikes with the Tax Administration of Jamaica, paying the necessary taxes and fees. They would also have to acquire a license from the Islander Traffic Authority and pass driving tests. YENGENG bike riders would be mandated to wear helmets, follow traffic rules, and obtain insurance. They also would be expected to adhere to speed limits and avoid excessive noise and stunts on public roads. Regulating YENGENG bikes could yield several benefits for all parties involved. For example, riders would be able to legally and safely enjoy their hobby without fear of harassment or confiscation. Residents would be able to experience peace and uninterrupted sleep without being disturbed by loud noises or accidents. Motorists would be able to share the road with YENGENG bikes without being endangered or irritated by their behavior. Authorities would be able to enforce the law and collect revenue from YENGENG bikes without facing significant challenges or evasion. Society would be able to appreciate the diversity and the creativity of YENGENG bike culture without feeling threatened or offended by it. Regulating YENGENG bikes, however, could also present challenges and drawbacks, including the cost and the complexity associated with implementing and monitoring the regulation system, resistance and non-compliance from some YENGENG bike dealers, owners, and riders who may prefer to remain underground or operate illegally, the potential for corruption and abuse of power by officials or agents who may exploit or extort YENGENG bike dealers, owners, and riders, the possibility of losing some of the original appeal and identity of YENGENG bike culture, which often thrives on its rebellious and informal nature. So YENGENG bikes remain a contentious topic in Jamaica, with both positive and negative aspects affecting various groups of people. A binary decision of banning or allowing may not be the optimal solution. Instead, a comprehensive approach based on evidence, dialogue, and compromise is necessary. Ultimately, the goal should be to strike a balance that addresses the concerns of different stakeholders while promoting safety, respecting human rights, and preserving the unique cultural aspects associated with YENGENG bikes. Thank you once again to all my subscribers for being a part of this community. I would really love to hear your thoughts on whether Jamaica should ban or regulate YENGENG bikes. So leave a comment below and let me know your perspective. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider to do so to stay updated with future videos. Thank you so much for watching.